Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating concept of manifestation. Whether you're just curious or looking to enhance your current practice, this video will guide you through understanding manifestation and how to apply it effectively in your life. So, let's get started. Manifestation is a powerful idea that revolves around turning your desires into reality. At its core, it involves focusing your thoughts and beliefs on what you want to achieve. But to truly harness its potential, you need to understand and implement several key principles. First up is clarity. This is the foundation of manifestation. To manifest effectively, you must be crystal clear about your goals. Vague goals often lead to vague results. Let's break it down with an example. Suppose you want to find a new job. Instead of simply wishing for a new job, get detailed. Visualize what the ideal position looks like. What industry is it in? What kind of company culture do you want? What specific responsibilities and projects will you be handling? The more detailed your vision, the more targeted your efforts will be. Now, let's talk about belief and visualization. Belief is a crucial component. You need to genuinely believe that achieving your goal is possible. This belief strengthens your commitment and aligns your actions with your desires. Visualization plays a significant role here. Spend time each day vividly imagining yourself achieving your goal. If you're visualizing a new job, picture yourself in the office working on tasks, interacting with colleagues, and enjoying your new role. Feel the emotions associated with this success, whether it's pride, excitement, or fulfillment. This practice helps to cement your goal in your mind and motivates you to take the necessary steps to achieve it. Alongside belief and visualization, action is essential. Manifestation isn't just about thinking positively, it also involves taking concrete steps towards your goals. For instance, if your goal is to land a new job, your actions should include updating your resume, applying for jobs, attending networking events, or enhancing your skills through courses. Each of these actions propels you closer to your desired outcome. Remember, the universe often responds to action, and combining it with your mental focus amplifies your efforts. Another important aspect to consider is reflection and gratitude. As you work towards your goals, take time to reflect on your progress. Celebrate the small victories and milestones along the way. This practice helps maintain motivation and reinforces a positive mindset. Gratitude is a powerful tool in manifestation. By acknowledging and appreciating the progress you make, no matter how small, you foster a positive attitude that attracts more of what you want. Write down what you're grateful for each day and recognize the efforts and opportunities that come your way. Let's delve deeper into the art of overcoming obstacles. Manifestation isn't always a seamless journey. You may encounter setbacks or challenges along the way. In such moments, it's crucial to remain resilient and adjust your approach if necessary. Reflect on the lessons these obstacles teach you and view them as stepping stones rather than barriers. Maintaining a positive outlook and adaptability will keep you on course towards achieving your goals. Another key aspect is aligning your environment with your aspirations. Surround yourself with people, resources, and influences that support your vision. For example, if your goal is personal development, connect with like-minded individuals who can offer support and encouragement. Create an environment that motivates and inspires you, whether it's through a dedicated workspace, inspirational quotes, or vision boards. Let's also talk about mindset. A positive and open mindset is essential for manifestation. This means being receptive to opportunities, staying flexible, and adapting to changes. Cultivating a mindset that embraces growth and learning will help you navigate challenges and stay focused on your objectives. As you practice manifestation, remember that patience is key. Results may not manifest immediately, but this doesn't diminish the value of your efforts. Trust the process and remain committed. Sometimes the universe needs time to align opportunities with your desires, and your persistence is vital in this alignment. To conclude, effective manifestation involves clarity, belief, visualization, action, gratitude, overcoming obstacles, aligning your environment, and maintaining a positive mindset. By incorporating these principles into your daily life, you can enhance your ability to manifest your goals and bring your dreams to fruition. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of manifestation. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more valuable insights. Share your experiences and tips on manifestation. In the comments below, I'm eager to hear your stories and how you've applied these principles in your own life. Until next time, keep dreaming big, staying focused, and taking concrete steps toward your goals.